Bonjour, bienvenue. Welcome to another lesson of French for beginners. Bonjour, je m'appelle Noella. Bonjour. This is our greeting in French, and the answer is bonjour. When we want to ask somebody their name in French, we say comment t'appelles-tu? And the answer is je m'appelle. If we want to ask somebody how they are today, we can say comment ça va? Comment ça va? And we have different answers. The first one is okay. It's going well. It's going very well. Or it's not going well. In fact, it's going bad. So the first one is ça va. Ça va. The next one is ça va bien. Ça va bien. Or ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. Or ça va mal. Ça va mal. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week in French. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, hier, hier, demain, demain, le week-end, le week-end. Merci et au revoir.